It's a 2014 Jeep Patriot. Those classic Jeep looks will get you noticed as you take your family on your next adventure. You'll notice the ease of a tilt steering wheel and cruise control, the safety of multiple airbags and traction control, and the convenience of a rear window wiper and front and rear beverage holders. You'll also notice that there's still plenty of money left in your account.
The remote engine start allows ignition from outside the vehicle. The soundtrack to your life comes through crystal clear with the premium Boston Acoustic sound system. Crank up your tunes and hit the road. The hard disk drive media storage keeps pace with your entertainment and information demands.
The Patriot is all about pride, and you'll experience a lot of it when you drive it home. At Jim Shorkey Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we are a family-owned and operated dealership. We are conveniently located at 13230 Route 30 in North Huntingdon, PA.